Welcome to our guide on installing Chrome OS on your PC or laptop. Follow these simple instructions to enjoy the speed and simplicity of Chrome OS on your device. Before we dive into today's video, make sure to hit that subscribe button below for more awesome content every week. Visit the Chrome OS download link provided in the description. Before downloading, it's crucial to ensure that your device's CPU is compatible with Chrome OS. Intel CPUs from Skylake, 6th Gen, Celeron CPUs from Goldmont, 2nd Gen, and AMD Ryzen. Older Intel and AMD CPUs, DGPUs, virtual machines, and ARM CPUs are not supported. Now, navigate to the Downloads section and download the appropriate version for your system. Once done, visit the official Rufus website through the link provided in the description and download the portable version. Once the download is complete, go to the Downloads folder and unzip the downloaded Chrome OS file. Now, insert a USB drive with a minimum of 16 GB storage into the computer and open Rufus. Then, select the Chrome OS file you unzipped earlier. Click on Start, then click Yes, and finally click OK. The flash process will take 5 to 10 minutes. Once flashing is complete, close all applications, restart the computer, and access the boot menu by pressing the designated key, typically F12, F11, ESC, or Del, during startup. Choose USB from the boot menu. Now, in the Grub menu, select Linux Mint and press Enter. After the system is booted from USB, connect to the internet. Now, open File Explorer, right-click, and choose Open as Administrator. Click OK, and go to File System, then CD-ROM, and then Chrome OS. Inside the folder, you will find the files needed to install Chrome OS. Now, it is important to know which file to run. For that, we need to open Gparted and identify our disk type. In my computer, the disk type is SDA, so I run the file sda.sh. Your computer might have a different disk type, such as SDB, NVMe0N1, or MMCBLK0, so check it accordingly. Run the respective .sh file to match your disk type shown in Gparted. Double-click on the file and choose Run in the terminal. Type Yes and press Enter. Wait for the installation process to complete. This may take some time. Once finished, shut down your computer, remove the USB drive, press Enter, and then turn it back on. Now your system will boot into Chrome OS. Complete some basic setups such as connecting to the internet, signing into your Google account, and adjusting display settings. Congratulations! You've successfully installed Chrome OS on your PC or laptop. Enjoy the streamlined experience and explore the Chrome ecosystem on your newly transformed device. Thanks for watching. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech tutorials.